So good morning, all of you. In last class, we discussed about editors. What are the different kind of editors we are going to be using for Python? So the most important editor I already told you. So that should be something like, give me 1 second. I want to open the file. Okay, so we discussed different kind of editors. Let me open the previous notes, whatever I created. Yeah, so this is the notes, and here we will be having different kind of editors. One is Anaconda Navigator, PyCharm IDE, Sublime Text, Bash mode. We can do with the interpreted mode, all these things. After installation of Python, you can go with any one of the editor to write the Python programming. See, come to the one more important point. After after installation of Python, and after writing the Python programming fundamentals, I know all Python programming fundamentals. I know all Python programming fundamentals. See, the learning path for Python we will discuss today. See, what is the learning path for Python? I will explain here. Just look into that. So where you want to be specialized in Python, after learning Python, what we need to do? There are multiple questions I got from students. Sir, only Python is enough for getting the job. Or after Python, what we have to learn? See, the first important thing is, the first foremost important thing is you have to learn Python. The first foremost important thing is you have to learn Python. First of all, you need to learn Python. Without Python, you cannot go any library or any kind of project development kind of things. So first, you need to learn Python programming. See how much Python you want to learn. That is based on your focus. The thing in the word, most of the people actually called a basic level. So this is basic level or starting level, basic point of Python. And one more is intermediate level. Intermediate level. Intermediate level. Okay, so some people will call this is something like basic level and medium level. Medium. Okay. So basic level and medium level. Sorry, one more add. And one more thing is advanced level. So three important things we need to go. So basic level compulsory we need to know, and medium level programming. Medium level nothing but some of the topics which are going to be a medium level. Some of the topics which are going to be an advanced level. Even you have to learn advanced level Python also. So once you know Python very well, then you need to focus on, for example, I want to focus on web development. Then what kind of libraries you want to learn? I want to become a data analyst. What are the different kind of libraries you have to learn? For example, I want to become a data scientist. What are the different kind of programming or different kind of libraries I want to learn? I want to become an artificial intelligence engineer. I want to become a blockchain specialist. I want to become an IoT developer. See, based on your requirement, you have to be learn the programming library fundamentals. For example, I want to go with the web developments. For web development, what are the different kind of libraries we have to use? For example, I want to become a data analyst. Okay, so data analyst. So my requirement is I want to become a data analyst, or my requirement is I want to become a data scientist. Data scientist. Okay. So where in the data scientist level, what are the different kind of frameworks or libraries I need to learn? Or I want to become an AI engineer. Okay, I want to become an AI engineer, or I want to develop a blockchain applications using with the Python. Blockchain apps. Blockchain apps, what are the different kind of libraries I want to implement for Python? See, after learning the Python only, after learning the basic, medium, advanced only, you have to go with the web development. After learning the complete Python only, you need to become a data analyst. You want to learn some kind of frameworks and libraries. Or I want to go with the data scientist. What are the different kind of libraries or frameworks you have to learn? I want to become an AI specialist or AI engineer. What are the different kind of libraries? I want to become a blockchain developer. See, choose any one of the path. For example, this is the path one. If you want to become a web developer, you can go with the path one. Or if you want to become a data analyst, you can go for the path two. Choose your career path. choose your career path after learning Python. And this is the path 3. After learning the Python, choose your path 3. Or after learning the Python, choose your path 4. See, every path have different kind of job openings, but every path have huge opportunities. Web development is good in the market. Data analyst is good in the market. Data scientist is good in the market. AI engineer is good in the market. Blockchain apps also having good in the market. But before that, the basic fundamental, basic Python programming, you need to be expert. Once you are expert, this is a stage 1. So you're learning procedure. So I'm telling this is the stage 1, and this is the stage 2. Stage 1 and stage 2. Okay. And after that, the third stage is very important. The third stage is project implementation. Stage 3, stage 3 is basically practical, practical, practical development. Practical development, nothing but you have to develop some application kind of thing. You have to implement some application kind of thing using by the libraries, using by the Python programming, using by the libraries. That is the stage 3. So you have to reach your stages compulsory. The stage 1 you have to complete 100%. The stage 2 you have to complete 100%. Even the stage 3 also you have to complete 100%. Then only you try to apply for the jobs. Hope everybody got understand what are the things, what are the stages you have to learn using with the Python. So let me try to explain what are the different Python programming top 10 libraries in 2024. So let me check it out. In 2024, what are the famous libraries which are going to be available? So there is some list. There is some list. Can you see the top 10 libraries, list of libraries in Python? What are the different kind of libraries? Okay, so is there any list? One is the Pandas, one is the NumPy, one is the Keras, one is the TensorFlow, and one is the Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn mostly for machine learning purpose. Okay, so Django is also there. Let me go and tell you. You can see this diagram. You can see this diagram. There are multiple libraries. Keras, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, NumPy, PyTorch, SciPy, Matplotlib, Theano. All these for data science. See, all this for data science, machine learning, deep learning. So all this for data science, machine learning, deep learning. Okay, and OpenCV basically for artificial intelligence. And you will be having beautiful soap. There is a web server request. Beautiful soap is available. So like this, there are multiple libraries which are available for each and every concept. For example, if you want to become a data analyst, there are some libraries you have to focus. If you want to become a data scientist, there are some libraries you want to focus. If you want to become a web developer, suppose I want to become Python web developer or Python web development, you can search like this libraries. What are the different kind of libraries which are going to be available as web developer? There is a library called Flask. There is a library called Django. There is a library called Bottle. There is a library called Falcon. There is a library called Web2Py. There is a library called CherryPy. See, like this, you can search. There is a library called Pandas. There is a library called Matplotlib. And Python data analyst libraries. So you can search like this. You can search like this, data analyst libraries. What are the different kind of libraries which are going to be related to the data analyst? What are the libraries you have to be focused for the data analyst? Okay, Python data scientist, Python data science libraries. Okay, Scikit-learn, NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, Keras, Seaborn, SciPy. I already told you. And Python AI or Python blockchain libraries, for example. I want to search like this. Blockchain libraries. What are the different kind of libraries? Blockchain library. Okay, what is a library for blockchain? So you can search like images. You can search like this. You can search when you search like this, you can find out different kind of libraries which are going to be available, which are related to the blockchain development. Okay, so the HashLib, one of the key library for blockchain development, HashLib, which allows developers to craft robust hash functions. Yes, in this way, you can search for the different kind of libraries. In this way, you can search for different kind of libraries which are going to be available to develop different kind of projects. So just follow this diagram, and based on your interest, if I want to become data analyst, what are the different kind of libraries I want to learn? If I want to become a web developer, what are the libraries I want to learn? If I want to become a data scientist, what are the libraries I want to learn? If I want to become an AI engineer, what are the libraries I want to learn? If I want to become a blockchain application developer, what are the libraries I want to learn? First, be focused on stage one. Stage one is learning Python. Learning Python fundamentals, learning syntax for the Python is important. After that, you become good in Python, then you move to the stage two. In the stage two, you have to learn the libraries. In the stage three is the practical development. It is a kind of project implementation, application development process, kind of project implementation, kind of end-to-end, scratch to end application deployment process. So after learning all these things, then only you try to apply for the jobs. Jobs are easy, so jobs are getting very easy in Python. The thing is the learning process, stage one, stage two, stage three. Okay, so hope all of you understand the procedure of learning way of Python or learning methodology for the Python. So please be follow that. So thank you. Good luck. Have a good day.